Hello there, Jason Tapala here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I'm just going to show you a few little warm-ups you can do when you're skiing. Now I'm in Zelensee at the moment in Austria. You can see a few of the runs behind me. So this is the basic warm-ups I want to do while you've got your boots on, okay? So there's a few things you can do before you get skis, before you get on the slopes, is to get your muscles warmed up thoroughly before you start skiing. It's imperative so you won't get injuries or any discomforts like. So what we want to do is we want to start off with basic squats. Now you can hold your ski poles for this. So basic squats, I'm just going to go through a few variations. So you just want to do basic squats. Get in the knees, and the joints, ankles, knees and hips all nicely worked out. Another one you can do is like the forward lunge. So do the forward lunge, use your poles if you need to, do the forward lunge, okay, get these properly warmed up. So another one I do, hold the poles here, is knee abductions. So bring your knee up and around, bring your knee up and around, same on the other side, just a couple, okay. So from here you can go straight into leg swings. So just do a couple on each side. Now you can take a lot longer than this. I'm just doing this for a video presentation. So next one, just do some leg swings side to side. So nice one. A nice variation is a figure eight, so where you come out and swing behind you. Now because I've got my ski boots on, it's making my feet a little bit more heavier, so I'm working the muscles a little bit more. So same on the other side. Just through a leg. So these are the basic ones for the lower body. For the upper body, so just do some stretches. So from here, stretch out, put the poles down, do some arm circles, okay, from the other way, and do the arm circles the other way, and that, okay. Do some hip rotations, get those hips nicely loosened up. Okay, from here you can just do some squat jumps or just some little jumps, okay. And from there, just stretch out your pecs. So arm over, stretch, and stretch, and just generally loosen all your body up before you go away and put your skis on. For even if you're a beginner, intermediate or novice expert, I keep do these every morning while I've got my skis on before I go skiing. So there you go. So there's a brief warm-up of what you can do before you go skiing, and I would highly recommend you do this. You can also do this at any time when you go to the gym. You know, I've got ski boots on, but you can use your own trainers. Just gets your body and muscles warmed up, ready for your workout. So there you go. So a basic warm-up for skiing. I hope you like this video. So if you do like this video, please like and share. Get me on YouTube, Instagram. I'll put the link somewhere on Instagram here, and all the better. So I'll see you on another ski tip or another video coming real soon. Cheers.